So how do you learn repair online? Like, really, is that even realistic to learn how to open a repair business online? Absolutely, it is. It's very easy. So we have this website here where all of the content sits. And there's two ways that you can access the content. One, you can buy a course outright. That's it. You own it, you have access to it, that's it, right? There's even a bundle that includes our business courses and everything. And I'm going to have a scroller here somewhere that will show you that bundle. It comes with 4 different items and is bulk priced to make it easy just to buy it once, and it's everything you need. It's the repair training, the business training, the B2B training, and even how to make your own repair website. So if you want to do that, easy, start it. Listen, the business course, which I'll put here on the screen, again, scrolling through, you can see all of this amazing content is made by me. Yes, I recorded all of it. Took me so long, and teach you every aspect of owning a repair business. But then here is, again, I'm going to scroll through the website, our repair content. Tons of content that will get you started in repair. Now, think of repair as this. It's a skill set that you learn that can be applied to any device. So whether a device is in here or not, you use that skill set to repair. Repair is something that all the skills that I know, I can apply to different devices. I don't ever have to actually work on that device. That's the great thing about our repair business. And then there's your second option on how to learn online. Join Repairs First Association. So yes, I sit on the board, but I was a member 3 years before sitting on the board of Repairs First. Okay, I just believe in it so much because it helped my business so much, and my repair business, right? And so what you can do is sign up as an RFA member, which is here. Again, I'm going to scroll the screen so you can see. Yes, it's only $69 a month, and you get access to tons of content, repair training, business training, operations, discounts, vendors, everything that you need for $69 a month. And then all you have to do, whatever way you choose to go, right? Oh, and by the way, set up a discovery call here with Brian. Set up and he'll show you everything that you need to know about being an RFA member. He's awesome. He's a board member. He's not a VA or some sort of overseas person that's just taking calls. No, he's a board member. He's an owner of the Repairs First Association and can break down the whole membership to you, okay? So once you figure out if I'm going to buy the content outright and just start it and that's it, or if I'm going to sign up as a member and that's it, then you have to take the content. As you can see here in this review, I'm going to leave this on the screen for a minute so you guys can actually read it. This is someone who is a previous student of CellBotics and is an RFA member. They took the B2B program, which is for RFA members, or if you buy the bundle, and they now have their first B2B client. And I'm actually helping him. He reached out on Facebook and he's an active member, so I'm going to help him. I'm sending him some extra things that he needs, that he had questions about. But this is, proof is in the pudding right here, guys, okay? And this message that was sent to me on 2/12/2024, okay? And if you want to verify that, go over to my Facebook and you can see where I've posted all about it, okay? This is just one person, okay? One person. That if you follow the steps in the content, you will be successful at starting your business. Now, if you're someone that just can't learn online, if you start the repair training and you're like, oh my gosh, I can't do this, well, we have a fix for that too. You can come in person. CellBotics actually has a training location. We give computer repair training and cell phone repair training live classes where someone is holding your hand and working with you. They're 4-day courses, okay? So check those out here on our website, okay? So yes, you can learn online. You can start your own business. Stop waiting and stop thinking about it. Hit subscribe while you're here because you got this far. And then check out our free stuff below. And I will see you in the next video.